Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the themes of Photoshop app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Photoshop app. So I'm going to open this. And after opening it, simply what we have to do, we have to choose the picture, that which image you want to use. So let's choose the image, that which image you want to use. I'm going to choose a simple and the catchy image here. Let's click on this, and I'm going to clicking on this, and after clicking on this, simply what we have to do, we have to choose the options of the themes, and then we have to click on that. I'm going to search for the themes option here. So as you can see now, these different types of options are provided here. We have to click on the themes option. So let's click on this, and as you can see now, different types of categories are provided here. For example, I'm going to click on the film one, and after that, as you can see now, this is the theme here. We have to click on this, and if you want to click on this, you can also do that. As you can see now, these all themes are provided here. It's up to you that which theme you want to use. So as you can see, for example, I'm going to use this one here. So now as you can see now, the theme is done. If you want to download the image, simply we have to click on this, and the image will be downloaded. So in this way you can apply the theme on the Photoshop app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.